2011 Dodge Diesel. Full factory warranty, $336 and $500 on the engine and the transmission. Short bed, 4-door, 4-wheel drive, reliability, SLT, 3/4 ton Cummins. Seating for 6. It's got the upgraded radio with Sirius satellite reception, hard disk drive capability, USB port, audio input jack. It'll play MP3s, WMAs, and JPEG files. Parking sensor, tire inflation sensor. Got an outlet right there too. 419cars.com for additional pictures and vehicle solutions. Good and bad credit welcome. Integrity, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Defiance, Ohio. 419cars.com.